Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of surface tension and capillary action. These might sound like complex scientific terms, see how they play a crucial role in our daily lives and even in various industries. Let's start with surface tension. Imagine you have a glass of water filled to the brim. You might notice that the water forms a slight dome above the rim without spilling over. This happens because of surface tension, which is like an invisible skin on the water's surface. The molecules at the surface are attracted to each other more strongly than to the air above, creating this tension. This effect is why small insects like water striders can walk on water without sinking. Their tiny feet don't break the surface tension, allowing them to glide effortlessly. A fun way to observe surface tension is by carefully placing a paper clip on the surface of water. Normally, a paper clip would sink, but with a steady hand you can make it float. This simple experiment shows how surface tension can hold up objects that would usually sink due to their weight. Now, let's talk about capillary action, which is another incredible phenomenon. Have you ever noticed how a paper towel or a sponge absorbs water? When you dip one end of a paper towel into water, the liquid starts to climb up the towel on its own. This happens due to capillary action, where the adhesive forces between the water and the paper are stronger than the cohesive forces within the water molecules. The water essentially climbs up the narrow spaces in the paper towel. Capillary action is essential in many aspects of our lives and in nature. For example, plants rely on capillary action to draw water from the soil up through their roots and stems to their leaves. This process helps transport vital nutrients and water throughout the plant, allowing it to survive and grow. In the real world, surface tension and capillary action are not just limited to these small-scale observations. They play significant roles in various industries and daily activities. For instance, in the medical field, capillary action is used in diagnostic devices like glucose test strips for diabetics. These strips draw a small drop of blood through capillary action to measure glucose levels accurately. Another industry that benefits from these phenomena is inkjet printing. Surface tension ensures that the ink forms tiny droplets that can be precisely placed on paper, creating sharp and clear images. Similarly, capillary action helps in the distribution of ink within the printer, ensuring a smooth and consistent flow. Surface tension also finds applications in the creation of detergents and cleaning products. When washing dishes or clothes, surface tension needs to be reduced to allow water to spread and penetrate the fabric or surface more effectively. Detergents lower the surface tension of water, making it easier to remove dirt and grease. In the construction industry, capillary action is a critical factor to consider. Water can rise through small cracks in buildings and structures due to capillary action, potentially causing damage over time. Engineers and architects use special materials and designs to prevent or mitigate this issue, ensuring the longevity and durability of buildings. Even in cooking, surface tension plays a role. When you fry food, oil and water don't mix easily due to surface tension. That's why you see oil droplets forming distinct shapes on the surface of water. Understanding this helps chefs and home cooks in techniques like emulsification, where they combine oil and water-based ingredients into a stable mixture, such as in mayonnaise or salad dressings. In our everyday life, surface tension can be observed when you use a dropper to administer medicine or add flavor to a drink. The dropper relies on surface tension to hold the liquid inside until you squeeze it out. Capillary action is also at play when you use a fountain pen, where the ink flows smoothly from the reservoir to the nib, allowing you to write effortlessly. In summary, surface tension and capillary action are not just abstract scientific concepts. They are fundamental to many processes around us. From the natural world to cutting-edge technology, these phenomena help make our lives easier and more efficient. Understanding them gives us a deeper appreciation of the intricate workings of everyday objects and processes. In our kitchens, surface tension and capillary action are at play in many subtle ways. Consider when you rinse fruits or vegetables. Water forms droplets on their surfaces due to surface tension. Similar to how a stretched balloon holds its shape, this helps water slide off rather than soaking in immediately. Another example is when you dip a corner of a paper towel into a spilled liquid. The liquid travels up the paper towel through capillary action, much like how a plant draws water up through its roots. This happens because the fibers in the paper towel act like tiny tubes, pulling the liquid upward against gravity. These simple phenomena make cleaning and cooking more efficient, showing how fundamental scientific principles are part of our daily routines. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it informative and enjoyable, please share it with your friends, like the video, and subscribe to my channel for more fascinating science topics. See you next time.